Welcome to Needyshare.com. In this video, we'll show you how easily deposit funds from Bangladesh. First, log into your dashboard. From here, click on Deposit from the left sidebar, or simply click the red Deposit button right under your main balance. On this page, you will see two recommended options. To view our local partner office details and direct support, click on Local Deposit from Bangladesh. A pop-up will display our corporate office address, 24/6 WhatsApp support number, and business hours. For any immediate help, you can click Open Support Ticket or email billing to reach our team directly. Now, to proceed with your deposit, click on the Deposit via Bank Transfer option. Carefully read the important bank transfer guidelines, and then click OK. Next, enter the amount you wish to deposit in BDT. Below, you will see the equivalent amount converted into USD. Once entered, click Continue. Here, you will see our local bank account details, including the bank name, account number, and your unique reference number. Transfer the money from your bank account, and make sure to copy and paste this exact reference number into your bank transfer's reference or narration field. After successfully completing the transfer, upload your payment receipt or screenshot in the Proof of Payment section and click I have paid. And that's it. Your deposit request is now submitted, and you will receive a confirmation email. Our team will verify and approve the transaction within 24 hours, and the funds will be added directly to your main balance. Thank you for choosing Needyshare.